I love growing nasturtium, and while it does reseed itself easily, I sometimes during the growing season want more nasturtium in other parts of my garden, and I don't want to start from seed because I'm impatient and I want flowers sooner than later. And luckily, like most things, you can propagate nasturtium. The trick is to find a long stem where at the top of the stem the leaves are smaller and they are more bunched together. So you just want to take a cutting, and then I'm going to take this cutting right here as well. And if there are any lower leaves kind of close to the end of the stem, then you definitely want to remove those. And just because I'm going to take a third cutting right here, this one looks pretty good. So I've got 3 cuttings with the lower leaves removed, and I've got a jar here, so I'm going to place my cuttings in the jar, and then I'm going to fill the jar with water. And I'm just going to place this jar off to the side here, and I'll check every couple of days to make sure that the water isn't yucky, but it should take about a week or so to actually see some roots on these cuttings. Okay, it has been a solid week, so a full 7 days, and we do have some roots here. The one on the bottom has more roots, and the one in the middle has a tiny root coming out, and it looks like a new leaf even grew from the node and came up a bit, but it has rooted. And the top cutting has no roots, and that's okay. It may need more time, even if it was cut at the same time as the other two, or maybe it just wasn't a prime cutting for propagating. But again, that's okay. Most plants need to be trimmed back anyways, and it didn't affect my main plant at all. It was such a small piece taken, so it never hurts to try.